Hey guys, Jason here. This week our topic is stage 2 of the UbD template, where we are looking at determining acceptable evidence. The first section is all about the performance tasks. These are going to be the major areas of focus for your course. This is the information that you're looking for with your students to make sure they truly understand at a deeper level the information that you've been sharing with them. The performance tasks are usually something that are a little bit more labor intensive and require more work on both the student and the facilitator. As you can see here for mine, the performance tasks I have chosen both relate back to all of the major topics and the essential questions and the essential understandings that we have covered in our lesson that we are working on. Let's take a look at the performance task that I chose to do. For my activity, I am going to suggest that the students will present a group of packages received by customers. Each one of the packages will have a statement from the customer and other important information, and then the students will need to determine, based on the information that they have in front of them, both on the card and the actual condition of the package, they'll have to determine whether or not they can process a claim or if they need to give the customer additional information. As the students are going through this, the facilitator and the training coach will be evaluating their ability to process the information and exhibit true understanding of the meanings that were taught during the lesson. The next performance task that I will suggest is to actually create mock phone calls for the associates. The facilitator and the training coach will call pretending to be a customer, and the students, or associates in this case, will have to handle the call, both dealing with the customer's concerns, talking about her emotions, and really helping her to have an amazing experience. After all, that is the big idea of our course, is to provide amazing experiences for our customers. The other evidence section is where we will test the associates or assess their knowledge and skills in the more basic areas, looking more at the surface understanding, not deep understanding. The suggestion that I have for the first one is to complete an online multiple choice scenario-based quiz. The quiz will automatically be answered, making it very simple for the facilitator to deliver to the associates. The next activity is a written activity sheet that we will have the associates complete. Each sheet will have screenshots of our passport system and of the appropriate carrier's website. And the associates will then have to make a determination on whether or not they can process a claim or what information they need to provide to the customer by simply writing it out. The facilitator will then review the written sheets, marking any incorrect and allowing the associates a chance to correct any areas of opportunity they may have, making revisions as they go. Now let's take a look at our grading rubric. The grading rubric that I have chosen to do is for the mock phone calls that we will complete in class. So I have chosen to include the overarching competencies that we will be evaluating for understanding in this course. So first is communication, next is customer orientation, and finally is technical expertise. As you can see here in the grading rubric, we clearly identify the difference between exemplary performance, sufficient performance, needs revision, and no evidence. This makes it very easy for the associates to understand exactly what they will be assessed upon and helps them to understand how to get better based on the grade that they received or the category in which they received. So as you can see, the stage 2 of the UbD design is all about assessing the associates, allowing the facilitator to have a better understanding of the student's ability to understand the material and truly apply it both in new scenarios and in scenarios discussed in class. That's all that I have for you guys for this week. I look forward to seeing you next week, where we will take a look at stage 3. Thanks.